Hi, everybody. This is Phyllis, your teacher. I just want to give you a short overview of Unit 3. This is a fantastic unit. It is all about your physical health and keeping your body healthy through exercise and good nutrition. You're going to learn a lot of things about how to develop good habits for exercising and getting out there and making an active lifestyle that you continue all through your life. You're going to learn a lot of things about the kinds of exercises that help your heart and those that help your muscles and those that help stretch your muscles. You're going to learn a lot of things that you can implement and put into practice, ways to stay motivated, benefits of exercise, and how to put a workout together if you want to do that, but also how to make being active fun. And you do that by choosing the things you like to do, sometimes by yourself, like maybe taking a bike ride or a walk, but also finding things that are active, like hiking and biking and swimming, that you can do with other people, friends and family. So that's part of the unit. And the other part of the unit is eating healthy foods. What you put into your body really does make a difference to your physical health and also, of course, to your mental and social health. Because what impacts one, remember, impacts all sides and aspects of that health triangle. But for this unit, I want you to really focus on and learn some of the things that you've got to do to develop good eating habits and making good food choices. It will pay off and benefit you. I guarantee it. Also, remember that you can't out exercise a bad diet. So if you're not eating right at this point in time and you want to change your habits, that's fantastic because you're not going to be able to exercise away the damage that poor nutrition might do to your body. So keep that in mind as you go through the unit. And as always, if you need any help with anything or you have a question about assignment, please feel free to ask. I will be happy to help you. Thanks so much, and get out there and get active.